Let's talk about the zoo. A zoo is a place where you can see many different animals. Animals at the zoo live in large spaces. These are designed to look like the animal's natural home. Zoos have animals from many different countries. You might see lions, elephants, giraffes, and pandas all in one day. Lions and tigers are large, powerful cats. They are very strong and have large teeth. Giraffes have very long necks. They can reach leaves high up in the trees. Pandas are very cute. A giant panda is one of the most popular zoo animals. Many zoos have a bird section. You can see colorful parrots, flamingos, and other birds up close. Some zoos have petting areas. Visitors can touch and feed animals like rabbits, goats, and guinea pigs. Zookeepers take care of the animals. They clean the enclosures, prepare food, and look for illness. Many zoos have a feeding time. It is exciting to see the animals up close as they eat. Zoos help protect animals. They breed rare animals and sometimes return them to the wild. Most zoos have a map. It helps visitors find the animals and plan their day. Gift shops at the zoo sell toys, books, and souvenirs. They are popular with children and families. The zoo is a wonderful place to learn about animals. It is fun for children and adults of all ages.